Hello, this is Mike Kilgore. I'm here today with Justin Marlow with 904 Paver Sealing. I'd like to endorse Justin and his company as a master certified contractor for Trident products and all your hardscape sealing needs. Justin's dedicated time and resources to complete the training needed to become a Trident master certified contractor, including intro to sealing, intermediate training, step-by-step processes, attending a live hands-on training, and completing the advanced certification. With all these classes, Justin will be the best choice for your project. Now, Justin, can you tell us a little bit why you decided to choose Trident as your choice of sealer and company?
Absolutely. A couple of years ago, we decided to focus only on paver sealing. That's the only service that we do. It's what we do every day, all day long. So we actually tried a few different companies before we switched over to Trident. The whole reason I made the switch was the support is phenomenal. The product is amazing. We get the best, most consistent results with the Trident products. And like I said, the support that they back us with is just unmatched. So that's why we made the switch to Trident.
Awesome. So if you're looking for exceptional work, an eye for detail, and great customer experience, contact Justin today so he can make your hardscape look the best it can be. Go Team Trident.